VBot provides a simple goal tracking feature where you can set up your own what we call KPIs or key performance indicators, such as people completing a purchase, visiting a specific page on the website, going through a particular funnel. These serve pretty much a very similar function to how you set up Google Analytics. However, the difference here is that we track them on the individual contact level, which is quite important. It applies for anonymous as well as contacts. I repeat, anonymous are those who I have no idea who they are, they haven't given me their email. And anonymous and contacts are those who have submitted some form of identifiable email or phone through my forms. All I need to do is go to my contacts and click the goals, and from here I can click create goal. I have to select a domain, which requires you to have your website tracking installed. And maybe we can do something very simple here, which is visited completed purchase, right? Let's just do completed form. I can do fixed variable, that means there's nothing attached, or I can have like a $10 value. Or I can make it a variable approach where you can inject into the lead some sort of a variable or an amount. Now, if you're using our e-commerce integration, you might be using that instead of this entire goal feature. But if you have your own custom charge or custom e-commerce, which is very basic, this might be handy. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm not going to attach an amount with this. I then have certain KPIs that I'm tracking, like people reaching a destination URL, people spending certain amount of time, visiting specific amount of pages, if they came from a specific referral network, if they clicked on links on my website, watched YouTube videos, or submitted forms. These are not VBot forms. These are your own external forms if you have any. And mind you, in the watch videos, this supports Vimeo or YouTube. Okay. And you can do funnel tracking where you can have step one. This could be the, I don't know, cart page. And I'll do contains /cart. You don't have to put the whole domain, just that part. You can add one more step, which is the checkout page contains /checkout. Now I'm creating these fictitious pages just for the sake of the demo, but in your case you have to get the right URLs. And note that I have matches, contains, starts and ends with. This is really important because some people do match exactly, and that sometimes does not apply because oftentimes when you throw your links around the web, some things might get appended, like /UTM underscore campaign equals, etc., etc. So to avoid that, just say contains. And then one more step is, let's just do thank you step. And here I have /thank you. There is an option here which it's an optional stage. That means someone can jump from step 1 to step 3. You can turn this on to make it optional. If you keep them off, the person has to go through this entire flow. So if they drop off for some reason, they will have to be reinserted through this process. Okay. And that's pretty much it. I will go ahead and completed the purchase, let's call it. Save goals. And that's it. Now my only problem, of course, is that I don't have an e-commerce or a flow. I just made up some routes. And I also haven't activated my domain. So I have to verify the domain. Otherwise, you're going to get this message right here. You'll always have analytics that shows you exactly how the funnel is flowing, who are these people, where they're coming from. So it brings robust analytics per each lead. And furthermore, on your profile, if anybody met those criteria, I'll be able to go in here and see that they met specific KPIs. And I do have a filter on that as well. So what that means in terms of how you look and you read your information is that you can literally plant different KPIs around the web, and the more people do things and they meet those KPIs, the more likely they're ready to make a purchase. And this brings it home in terms of lead scoring because you can set up also lead scoring based on goals and things that people do. Okay. KPI or goal option is available on VBout. It does provide valuable insights. If you are using e-commerce, use that library natively. You might not even need it. Otherwise, it's a great feature.